Hi students, as we are exploring alignments, so in this exercise we will discuss about alignment types and alignments entity in Civil 3D. Civil 3D recognize 5 type of alignments. The first one, centerline alignment, the second, offset alignment, the third, curve return alignments, and fourth, rail alignments. Then we have miscellaneous alignments as 5 number. Each alignment type can consist of 3 type of entities or segments, you can say, which is line, arcs, and spirals. These segments control the horizontal alignment of your design. So the first one is fixed segment. Fixed segment are fixed in space. They are defined by connecting points in coordinate plane and arc independent of the segments that occur either before or after them in alignment. Fixed segment can be created as tangent to other component, as you can see in this figure, but their independence from those objects lets you move them out of tangency during editing operations. So an alignment that is defined from lines and arc will have its segment fixed. If the lines are both sides of the arcs are tangents, they will be defined as a fixed as a free segments. So the second one, we have floating segments of the alignment. Floating segments float in space but are attached to a point in the drawing and to a single segment to which they maintain tangency, like the figure. Floating segments work well in situations where you have a critical points but the other points of the horizontal alignments are flexible. The third one, we have free segments. Free segments are dependent upon the entities that come both before and after them in the alignment structures, which you can see in this figure. Unlike fixed or floating segments, a free segment must have segments that come before and after it. Free segment maintain tangency to the segment that come before and after them and move as required to make that happens. Although some geometry constraints can be put in place, these constraints can be edited and are user dependent. As a note, the alignment that is created from a polyline will be defined by free segment only if the segments before and after an arc object are tangents. Otherwise, the segment will be fixed as mentioned previously. During the exercises in this chapter, we will use a mix of these entities type to understand them better. So stay tuned with us for more typical alignments creations in this chapter.